Hi, I'm Sue Lewis and I'm the Artistic Director of Ffin Dance Company. We're a not-for-profit organisation that runs a variety of different projects, ranging from professional dance company that tours all over the UK, France and Germany, right the way down to community dance classes in the community for absolute beginners, right the way through to youth dance performers. Being a landlocked company based in South Wales mining valleys can sometimes limit you very much both in geographical terms and actually sort of meeting and networking with new people. We value very much the idea of working through the internet and how that becomes a worldwide village, but didn't have the equipment. With Communities 2.0 we applied for funding and chatted with Ryan. He came along and advised us what sort of things might be suitable for the type of work that we do, and it went from there, and we've gone from strength to strength now, recently having had training with Chris Morgan on how to blog, etc. Since we've learnt to do that on our website and embraced a more interactive approach with the website, we sometimes get about 4,000 hits per day now, with people regularly giving us feedback saying how interesting they find a day in the life of Ffin Dance, our volunteers. We're picking up young dancers in the community purely through Facebook, through Twitter. It's brilliant. The business benefits have been quite marked, even in a recession. We've recently worked with a choreographer called Gary Lambert, who is world famous. He's almost sort of royal family of dance in the dance world. He was with Royal Ballet for many years and with Rambert Dance Company. We approached Gary to come and work with us, and he has done, and we've gone from strength to strength building a relationship with Gary. And he said that one of the things that really made him sort of sit up with us as a company was the quality of our website and the quality of our marketing and social networking in particular, with the images that we had and the professional nature of our website. So businesses as well sort of will look at our website and buy into us. Theatre managers have said that they've booked us purely on the strength of some of the video work which is on our website and on our social networking pages.